Hindi ya kigomano kia urimi kiria kihanikite kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, riu thirikari ni yaniriire waaki wa kiharo kia ndege mwena wa Lanet kaunti-ini ino, itanya inene ari kuhura njeki ukui wa mahua kuona kaunti ino ni werutaga mahua maria maingi muno bururi-ini.
This meeting is essentially to try and build our local base of investors and also to find of connecting them with international investors. And the whole thing about this investor conference has also been motivated by the national government's agenda of the Big Four.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya iganda Beti Maina, thirikari niutanyite kuhura njeki urimi wa baba kaunti-ini ino kwitukira gwetha thoko yayo nginyagia nja ya bururi.
We have a market for your cotton that is demonstrated by the investment government has made in revitalization of Rivertex. We spent nearly 4 billion shillings to modernize the machines at Rivertex with very new equipment.
Onaguo mutaratara wa waaki wa kiheri ka wonjoria mwena wa Naivasha no gwetetwo guthie na mbere, thirikari nene kiunyitirira undu uri gutigirira wonjoria ni watwarithio na mbere hatari magoti ma iguru. Ningi urugamiriri wa kaunti ya Nakuru kuhitukira Governor Lee Kenyanjui ni iraniire kugacirithia riera ria wonjoria niguo kuguciriria wonjoria makiria kuuma nja ya bururi.
We have companies that have been here with us from the 70s, some who are already in value addition. And even before the government came with the Big Four and agro processing, companies like Njoro Canning were already there. And I think really we must applaud them for the good work that they have continued to do, creating employment, creating value addition, and also a source of market for the thousands of farmers that we have out there.
This mwaka that we make.
Hadu ni hamedha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, reto rako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.